everyone, how are we going? Today's going to be a day in the life type video. We've got a buffalo lawn here that I'm going to show, just the mulching capabilities in the wet with this Toro Time Master. My brother's just getting into it now. We've got a couch lawn, which is, to me, in my opinion, they're the toughest type lawn to mulch up, especially when it's wet. This is a good test, so hasn't been wet here for a while, so I'm very excited, and yeah, can't wait. The next couple of weeks, everything's going to just explode. Everything's going to get growing again, and yeah, good times ahead. So enjoy.
Just finishing it all off, doing a marvellous job there. He loves it. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Just got the blowing off to go, eh?
Yeah, mate. Right. And here we go with the blowing. Here we go on the couch lawn. We've also got a drone aerial footage to go along with this one, so let's see how it all goes, eh?
Alright, change of plans everyone, sorry. No brush cutting job this afternoon. We had a few lawns come on that weren't scheduled in. Everyone, after this rain, it's taken off, and we knew it was going to happen as soon as it started to rain again. We've just had that many people contact. Probably even just before the rain we had a little bit of a spit and spat, and that's all it takes, and everyone starts to panic a little bit and go, oh, I need my lawns done. And so a few more regulars in the books, and that's good. Another good day. So the brush cutting job will just have to wait till Wednesday now, so photos and everything for that will be up on Facebook, so there won't be any video of that unfortunately for today, but we'll have enough footage after today's works to get an episode up hopefully this afternoon, if I get time to edit it all. Thank you all once again. Sorry, just reversing in my driveway at the moment. I want to keep it running though, because I want to show you my lawn. I'm very excited. Alright. For anyone that doesn't know, this is Bradley. This is my brother.
Hello.
Doesn't like talking.
Gotta go to the toilet. Alright. I'll just show you the lawn quickly, guys. Little pup. Bayer. Yeah. Alright, so you can see it's already starting to fill in. All this, in the next 2 weeks, this will all be taken over. Before the 200 mil of rain we had, I got the fertiliser down, and I mowed 2.5 days ago, if you believe it. It's coming up nice, very happy. One of my clients over the road there, he got some fertiliser down as well, and it's just exploded. You can see it in the background now. Anyway, I'll get all this edited and get it on through to you guys. So thanks again. Like, subscribe, follow, comment, you know the drill. Cheers. See you guys.